Hey guys, it's Hannah from Pictureline. We're here with the new Canon RF 100mm 2.8 L series IS macro lens, and we are super excited to show you what this lens can do today. So let's just go and get started. Alright guys, so we just got back taking some sample photos with the RF 100mm F2.8 LIS macro lens from Canon, and needless to say, we are super impressed with it. A couple points to mention about this lens: it is the world's first medium telephoto macro lens with a maximum magnification of a 1.4 times. It's got a high image quality with a bright 2.8 aperture. It also has 5 stops of image stabilization, and combined with the R5, up to 8 stops of image stabilization, which is pretty incredible. It also has a high-speed, smooth, and quiet autofocus with dual nano USM, and it also comes with the control ring like all the RF lenses. Another unique thing about this lens is that there's an additional ring called the spherical aberration, or SA control ring. What this ring does is it allows creative adjustments to the shape and character of the foreground or background bokeh. The last point is it is also dust and weather resistant. Overall, we're super impressed with this lens, and we're excited to see the content that you guys create with it. If you guys have any questions or for future updates, stay tuned to Pictureline for pricing and for dates.